go race right here. Now, I make a mistake of mine that I like pizza so much. So I was thinking, what if macaroni was on top of a pizza? Like a pizza topping. So, when this timer is in, I will show you how to make a mac and cheese pizza. Simple. I got the leftover macaroni and some leftover pizza right here. So what you want to do is you want to heat them up both at the right temperature, making sure they're not hot or not cold. Yeah, that's hot enough. Once your macaroni is done, heating up, timer sets. Next, you grab it out here. I'll take it out of the microwave. Hold on a sec. And right here, I'll take the macaroni out and as well as the pizza. I already heated the pizza and now the macaroni is perfectly done. Now, what you want to do is you want to grab a fork and shove it to the side. Hold on. As you can see, all the macaroni is shoved to that side. What you want to do is grab your pizza. Wow, they're really gone to the pizza. Next, you want to put the macaroni onto the pizza, so that way it will become like mac and cheese. It's like putting like extra cheese on pizza, but it's macaroni. And ta-da! That's it. I put the macaroni on the pizza. And for this, I used a fork and I gently like smooth it out, so that way all the macaroni can get all over like across the cheese. There you have it, a mac and cheese pizza. Now this is like I'll call it rectangle pizza. It's like a leftover. There wasn't leftover macaroni left, so I combined them both. I liked this recipe like twice, and it was really good. So write your opinion down in the comments. So what you think? And to all of you who are viewing this video, see you in the next one.